They say they outside. Where do they be? On that block trying to look for a nigga. That's an off right there, I'm praying that I see. He saying what? I said, bet. Bro, you don't got it. Give it to me. Don't leave him open, I got him. Don't call like a...
What's good, YouTube? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. And as you guys can see behind me, we have one of the first sets of clear GTS taillights for the BMW F06, F12, and F13 6 Series / M6. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing them and taking a close look at them before I install them onto my car. And we have tails. So before we go ahead and take anything out of the box, we're gonna discuss what I guess it comes with. On both sides, these are the outer left and right taillights. In the middle, we have the inner taillights for the left and right. And these two wires right here, I'm gonna assume, since it has a sequential turn signal, this is gonna connect the inner to the outer, so that way the turn signal can be sequential all the way through the light. Yeah, let's go ahead and pull these out, and holy shit, they're already looking crazy. Jeez, look at my cat in the background. He like them too. Grab this outer right here. And this shit looks crazy. Alright, let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic. Let me show you guys what these shits look like. Jeez, these things are looking mean. Yeah, I really like the look of these, and I can't wait to see how they're gonna modernize the look of the car. And as you guys can see behind me, I have when BMW switched from the M8 or from the M6 to the M8, sorry, they always update the posters in their dealers. So I actually bought these posters that you guys see behind me, the M6 GT3 posters, directly from a BMW dealer. So can't wait to see what that taillight's gonna look like versus these. And now I'm gonna show you guys the inner as well. And damn, these things look good. Can't wait to put them on. So it also has the connector right here for the car. And then the extra connector looks crazy. So now we're downstairs at the car and we're gonna install the clear taillights now. So I hope you guys are ready for this. All right, you guys, so I got my boy here helping me out with the install. Yo, tell him you're like IG.
Good. Jacked up 335i. I'm gonna install these fire lights. They look nice.
He does all my installs. So if you guys need an install, DM him. So we might have not even had to take out this panel, you guys. Because the video that I saw on YouTube, the dude removed 2 bolts right here. But I think he had a 640 coupe. At least for the Grand Coupe, guys, this will help us. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. Start disassembling the whole trunk.
Yeah, we don't need to take this off at all.
We had no reason to take this off. We're just some dumbasses.
Yeah, on YouTube, the dumbass.
Yeah, we followed another YouTuber's dumbass, but I guess he had a coupe or a convertible. So now it's just a matter of him unplugging it. And literally, you don't even need to disassemble the trunk. You just took 2 things out. I'm gonna show you guys more in depth on the other side. But yeah, taillights are out. For the outers, at least.
Plug I've ever seen.
Yeah.
For lights.
That's that new BMW shit. Alright, you guys, so the only difference between the old lights and the new lights is the new lights have an extra wire for this black cable. And what this cable basically does is make the sequential taillight work in unison, and it connects the inner sequential to the outer sequential. So right now what Josh is doing is plugging this into the light before we install it back into the car. That way it'll be a lot easier for you guys to run it cleanly to the inside light. Alright, you guys, that shit is looking crazy. God damn, look how good that looks, you guys. I'm hella hyped right now. Alright, I had to pick the camera up so you guys get a better look, but god damn, look at that shit, you guys. It looks so nice with the wrap. I'm probably gonna have to color match that reflector right there because it's kind of contrasting, kind of weird. But oh my god, that shit is starting to look crazy. So now we're moving on to the inner part of the trunk, and basically it's held together all around by these little screws. You get a Phillips head and you unscrew it, and it basically pulls the clip out as you unscrew. So yeah, that's what Josh is doing right now. So the way we're doing the inners, and I kind of recommend you guys to do it this way too, is once you remove all the little things that hold the trunk liner, and there's one bolt at the bottom, instead of disconnecting everything and like completely removing that liner, there's enough space for you guys to do it with just leaving the liner hanging. So that's what we're doing. Instead of unplugging the latch and all the lock and all that stuff, the little ambient light that goes to light up the trunk, we're just gonna do it like this. And there is 2 bolts on the light. I can't get a good angle right now, but I'll show you the back of the new one right here. And as you guys can see, 1 and 2. So if you guys just follow the aftermarket ones, it kind of gives you an idea of where the OEM bolt location is. Alright you guys, so the way you remove these once you get the bolts out is kind of the same way you would do it on like E92 or pretty much any other BMW. You just push up on this little black piece right here because all the bolts are on the inside, and once you do that, it like, I guess, slackens up the light so you guys can pop it out. Let me see if I can do it with the camera in my hand. Can't do it with the camera in my hand, so let me put the camera down and I'll record when we take it out. But yeah, the reason why it wasn't coming out was because I forgot to unplug it, so that would be helpful. Alright you guys, and then yeah, once you disconnect it, it should just be pretty solid. It comes right out. And the difference between the old light and the new light is this has like a connector for like the reverse light, and I think a turn signal bulb, because these are, I don't even know if they're full LEDs or not, but the new one, it literally just has that red connector right there. Guys, so we pretty much got the first side done, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It's honestly looking crazy. So for you guys to install it, you pretty much just have to do the same thing on the other side. So yeah, I'm probably not going to record all of that, but let me show you guys the finished product when we're done. And if you guys want to buy these lights, I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. So for all my M6 and any 6 series, F12, F13, and F06, it fits all the cars. Alright, so one thing I wanted to show you guys before we finish this install is the reason why I'm leaving this wire just hanging right now is because my future plans is to do a custom trunk setup, like audio wise. So the whole trunk's gonna have to come out anyway. So once we take the whole trunk out, we will be wiring it through these poles. But for those of you guys doing the install right now, if you guys do want to wire it through this pole for it to be like a completely wireless, seamless OEM look, this pole is hollow. And on the passenger side, there's actually a wiring harness that runs through the passenger side, I guess, to power like the inner lights and all that stuff. Alright, so BMW kind of snapped with this, and the way you can remove the light without having to remove anything from your trunk is there's these little caps, I guess. You guys see those 2 holes right there? There's the little plastic cover you guys see right there covering it. And both of those holes is exactly where the taillight bolt holes are. So that's like an easy way for you to remove it. And then as you guys can see, we just pulled the light on this side without even having to remove this thing. So I think only convertible and coupe guys have to remove that piece for the bolts on the top. But the Grand Coupe, it's literally just a little housing thingy right here, and then the 2 bolts that you guys saw we took out on the trunk. Alright you guys, so I just finished up editing the video on the taillights and I didn't film an outro. So this is going to be the outro. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. But I'm probably going to do part 2 to this, because on the Facebook groups I've been seeing a couple people with some negative reviews on the lights, and I like to be fully transparent with you guys. So I might do a part 2 where I see, I guess, the long-term durability of these lights, because a couple of people were complaining about, I guess, scratches on the lights, which is, I guess, a quality control issue by BAV Group, and I guess some people have been getting like bubbling around the outsides, and even some people have been getting a little bit of condensation. So I'll keep my eye out for that, and I'll keep you guys posted when I make a part 2. Maybe after a couple of months of me having the lights, using them, driving around with them. So yeah, with all that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.